Hello everyone, good morning. Um, let's check out the plan that I've made last time. In the script, as we can see, first things first, we need to do the glow effect around our player fruit. So let's do that now. I've imported a package in Unity and it should allow us to make this glow effect. I don't quite remember how it works, but I think there is like outline. Yeah, there's an outliner, and then there is an outlineable, like so. And as you can see, there is a slight glow to this banana, but it's not good enough. So we have to do some other stuff to it. We have to go to our camera. We have to perhaps something dilate iterations, and there's blur also. Let's see if we do like something like this. I'm not sure what's better. Okay, but let's just try this one out. And also, let's maybe correct the color a little bit. I mean, we can choose any color we want. So even black, if we want to. I mean, black looks pretty cool, but then let's try... yeah, there are many colors we could try. Let's try white, just the basic white. I mean, it already helps to distinguish, between our banana and other bananas, which is pretty good. We just have to ignore all the other things that are around us. Okay. Oops. Let's see, let's try another color. Let's try black. Maybe black is the best outline color. Even though then it's not out. I mean, it is outline, yeah. I mean, for the banana, it looks pretty good. I mean, it looks like a shadow in a way. But... wow. But I think white one was better in a way. Because this one, you can confuse it with a shadow, maybe? I don't know. But actually, to me, the black one looks more satisfying. So I'm gonna keep it for now. I'm gonna keep it black. Okay, so step 1, done. Menu screen on tab disappears. So we need some sort of assets. And fortunately, I have a lot of these like UI assets that I bought. Wait, how's it? Asset store. I have a bunch. Okay, UI. Wait, okay, then I have to do this. Let's see, UI. Look, I have this, I have this. At least I have these two. Okay, let's look at this one. What kind of style is our game? If I would have, money like this, would that look good? Wait, I have to look for more pictures because I'm not sure yet. I mean, this and my game, they just don't go together. I don't think they do. This is like for bigger game. Feels like, okay, let's try this one. This one may be better in a way because, yeah, I think it suits the game more, honestly, this kind of style. Yeah. I don't know, I think it's better. Okay, do I have anything else? There's a wooden UI. Oh, but it's kind of... Kind of not what I was looking for. Have the sounds, they're simple. Fantasy UI. That's even more simple. Okay, let's just go with this one then. Let's open this one in Unity. Okay, oh, there's an update. Cool, let's update it. Yeah, I just woke up, so again, if my voice sounds a bit tired, it's because I am. Okay, let's just keep all of it, I guess. Because why not? Alright, I hope this process is not gonna take too long. Okay, and what's next? Okay, so let's think how my menu screen is gonna look like, in fact. I don't think it's gonna be anything like too special, honestly. It's just gonna be like in most games, I guess just a few buttons on the bottom, like shop upgrades and what else? Shop upgrades. Do we need anything else, really? Like apart from the shop and the upgrades, honestly. And then when you tap on like in the middle of the screen, the game starts. That's how I see it. So yeah, and then game over screen, we're gonna think of something. It should be very simple. Maybe I don't even need that UI asset, but probably I'll use it. Like on the game over screen, definitely. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, okay, we have this canvas. This is the score, and we're gonna activate this score canvas when the game begins, I think. Okay, we're gonna copy this canvas. We're going to put it here. We're gonna name this one menu canvas. Okay, in this menu canvas, we're gonna create a not score, but I mean it's gonna be just tap to start the, or just tap to start. And we'll put it, I mean we could put it just here, or we can put it right in the middle. That's also an option. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Apart from the font, I'll change the font later. And I mean, yeah, when we tap, boom, this will appear. By default, this is gonna be off. And then when we tap something, then yeah. Let's see. Let's create a script called maybe start game on mouse. No, I'm not sure, because start game is not like explanatory enough. I feel. Start game on click. Yeah. Okay, and here, and we want to say on mouse down. Okay, and then on mouse down, we want to do something. And we're gonna do a Unity event, I think. Wait, how do you do this? I forgot. Wait, that's it's called Unity event, and then I could just say just event Isn't there? Yeah, good. And then just invoke, right? If it's not empty. Exactly, that's what I want to do. And then I want to disable it, deactivate it. So game object dot set active false. Boom. So I'll have this empty, well, not an empty, but just an image, image that I'm gonna call start game. I guess it's like a button, so I'll do that. The start game button, we're gonna stretch it out a little, just a little bit. We're going to leave some space in the bottom, so when we have to press like somewhere here. I'm gonna make this image transparent. We're gonna say start game on click, and here we have the event things that we can do here. First of all, we want to hide the tap to start button, set active false. Oh, also we want to remove the score script from the tap to start, and we want to activate the score. I mean, like this. And then we want to actually move our player, so we want to enable stuff on our player banana, but also we need to choose, who we're gonna play as. And we don't want these bananas on the side. That's what I realize. We don't want this, we don't want this. And another banana here. Where did I put it? Wait, I don't even know. Level block. Did I put it in the level block? No. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna find it like this. Oh, it's with the main camera. Okay, that's strange. Okay. What about this apple? Okay. No, I don't need it here. Apple full. No, thanks. Alright. The thing is, when we're gonna be shopping, we're not gonna know like what fruit we're starting as. Therefore, I mean, okay, when we select our fruit in the shop, it's gonna be updated here, so we'll just place it in the same spot as the player banana. And, well, I'm gonna place it here. Fruit up velocity. I'm going to say this in here. I will say, well, we need some sort of maybe state machine. So a script that will control, what kind of state we're in, and depending on the state, we will do various things. Because here on start game on click, we could just get the state machine and change the state to game and then to game over. I think that would be good. Yeah, let's do that actually. Let's make a state machine. Game state machine. And we'll have like an enum. I mean, do we want to access Because we could make it public. But probably not. Wait. In let's call it game states. First we'll have menu state, game state, game, I don't know, lose state, and that's it, I think. And then shop state, maybe shop. I mean, probably not. I'm gonna make a UI. But actually no. I want to make like a separate menu, like with the camera, where you can like switch, up, to bananas, to apples. So maybe shop also, but I'm not sure whether I'm gonna use it or not. But it's fine for now. Then we're gonna create a. Okay, let's create a public game states. Just game state. And what's wrong with you? Strange. But it was fine when it was a state? No. Confusion. Okay, what if I just ignore it for now? And what I want to do next is this. I want to say I could create multiple functions and do it that way. I could create also a lot of like action events for each of the states, but that's maybe not that good of an idea. I mean, we only have one scene, so yeah, I'm gonna create a bunch of event actions, I guess. Uh-huh. Oh, should I? Don't know. I don't know. Okay, but I'll try. I'll try this way. This is gonna be start game. We're gonna have then lose game. We'll have well, when we go to the menu. Oh yeah, we want to do some stuff like maybe restart game. That's what we want when we go to the menu. And shop, I don't know actually whether we even need the shop, but for now I'm just gonna delete this. Okay, so we have all of these different event actions, and depending on what state we'll change to, we're gonna do something with these events. So I'm thinking we can create like a wake. We can say man, I can't think today. And why is this red? I don't understand. Why does it want a constructor? I don't get it. What if I save it and then go to Unity? Ah, I see. I just needed to say public here. Makes sense. So next thing is Okay, what if I say start game dot invoke, but we want to do it when we start the game, but I don't want to check on update. I want to check only when my game state changes, and I'm not sure how to do that. What if I say game state, oops, dot. Okay, so I can't really check if it changed or what. Check if an enum has changed. I hope it will load. Ay. Listener. Oh, I don't know how to use listeners. Actually. Okay, the easiest way is like this. Oh, but it's an update. Okay, we can do this. Okay, well, let's actually try this. So in game state, we can say, what can we just say set wait, we don't need this then. Wait, how does it look like? Set, and then we need brackets here, and we can just paste this. We need the function like so, and then this function we can say, switch game state. Boom. Beautiful. What's wrong with you? Oh, it doesn't have get, I guess. Well, just, man, I even forgot how to use get. Let me just get, like normal get. Can I just do this? Nah. Wait, oh my god. I forgot how to actually set get and set. Wow. Yeah, because I usually don't use this. But I don't want to create a separate variable for it. Okay, well, let's remind myself how to use get and set. Yeah, you see, they just return this, value of m health. What if I want to use, just the values of the game state? Oh, maybe that works. Oops. Yeah, so now I can actually do all of the things that I wanted to do. So when we change to the game, I want to invoke this one. When we're losing, we want to say lose game. And then when we're in the menu, we want to say restart game. Well, when we're changing to the to that game state. Okay. That's pretty cool. So hopefully it will work. Let's check that it works. And we can do that by going to Unity. In my start game on click, we can, instead of saying all of this, we can say, well, yeah, we want, instead of invoking this event, we just want to access the game state machine. How's it? We're gonna create a wait. Public static instance. God, okay, my voice, even though I wasn't speaking that much, it's already in the morning. Terrible. And on awake, if instance is null, then instance equals this. Dot game state equals, we can do game state equals, or we could do we can create a few functions that just change it to the proper game state. Let's do that, I guess. What? Like so. This is gonna be lose game and restart game. This is gonna be start game. Okay. And now we don't need this event. Awesome. And instead of all of this, we need a game state machine object. Okay, on start game, we would like again to activate the score. We would like to take the, where is it? In the menu canvas, start game button. We want to disable it. And with the tap to start, we also want to disable it. And at the same time, okay, what else do we want? I think in my player, no, rather fruit up velocity, because what I want to do, if it's is player, I mean, yeah, this is gonna happen, but now I don't want to move the player, up when if we're in the menu state of the game. And by default, actually, we should be in the menu state, hopefully. Oh, so yeah, on awake, we're gonna say restart game. Okay, and then how do we restart the game properly? Well, I'm not sure yet, but I'll figure it out. First, let's check that it works in general, because now when I will click here, okay, there's an error. $25. Oh. I guess I'm not allowed to do that. Yep. In my getter. Okay, then what am I allowed to do? Like this? No. I don't know what I'm allowed to do here. Can I just not put anything? I don't think I can. Yes, I have to return something. How do I do that? Man. Because I know what to do here when there's two variables, but when there's one.
Hey, game developers, bluff.
Oh god. Jesus. Yeah, he does the same thing. He does the same thing. Maybe it's maybe it's just impossible to do it with one. Because look, they always create two variables. Current state. Interesting. Not really. I mean, oh god, okay, I'm just... Instead of using get and set, I'll do something else. I think that's gonna be easier. I'm just gonna create the function to change the game state. So I'm gonna say... Well, I have these already, so we can just do this, right? We can say on state changed, boom. Instead of value, we say... well, we know to which value changed, so we can just do this a few times. Like it's not that complicated. Yeah, I mean, That was pretty dumb. That I don't know how to do this actually, but just I know that this is gonna work too, and that's fine. Okay. Now let's test it out. Okay, we definitely clicked on it, but interesting. Why was there an error? Blade position in fruit chop. 27. Scored that instance. Oh. Oh yeah, because I didn't turn it on. That makes sense. But it didn't work. My thing. Start game button. Like I couldn't press on it. Okay, with this button I don't need, I mean with this text, I don't need raycast target. But this one I do need raycast target, and I have start game on click here. On mouse down, right? While over this or collider. Boom boom. And then it should work. Let's try this again. And it definitely doesn't work. I mean, I don't need a collider for it to work, right? Mouse or come on. On mouse, drag enter over, up. I mean, that's all there is. I mean, I can do on pointer enter. Yeah, let's do that because I think that's what I needed to do. On pointer something. On pointer down, exactly. We're gonna say on pointer down. Okay, for some reason it doesn't see it. Is it in visual scripting? I'm not sure. Okay. I don't, what? No, it's an interface. No, it's not visual scripting. Something else. Or is it? What? I think it's event systems, no? Using Unity engine dot event systems, right? I thought it's something like this. Or not, okay. Man, without Rider, it's so much more difficult. On pointer down Unity. Look, I think it's this one. .ui, maybe. No. What? No, but I remember it's an interface. And it usually just gets imported automatically. Oh, wow. Okay, it's I pointer down handler, right? Yeah. Wow, I completely forgot how it's used. Like, completely forgot. Wow. My bad. And I don't need this because we do this in start game function. Okay. Whoops. Completely forgot how to use it. There we go. Now we'll get more score. Yes, and it works. Cool. Nice. Let's make it transparent again. And on restart, I'm thinking, I mean, yeah, we need to know what thing to spawn, what kind of fruit, but we can't choose what we have here yet. Wait, where's my fruit spawner? Okay, let's maybe start removing these things, or maybe saying done. That one game begins. So initially in the player banana, we don't want to move up until we change to another state. So we're gonna create a boolean. I mean, it should be public then, because I want to change it. Bool is in menu. And if we are in the menu, then we can't do this. And if we are, then it's fine. So if we are not in the menu, then we can do this. Yep. And also fruit spawner, we want to do, oh, we kind of want to do the same thing. Oh, but then, yeah, I think that was a bad idea to do what I just done. Where, oh my god, I have so many things, I need to close them off. Level generation, fruit chop I don't need, blade I don't need. Okay, good. So instead of actually creating this public boolean, I'm just gonna take the game, where is it? Game state machine dot instance dot game state. If it is not equal to menu, then we can do this. Yeah, and on the, and somewhere else we need to do this also. So if it's not this, we're gonna fly up, and then yeah, on fruits, in this fruit spawner, we want to start this coroutine when we well, oh, actually I know what to do. We just need to turn this on when we on enabled. Yeah, like this. And also we need to stop the coroutine somewhere. Oh, on disable. Yeah, right. Stop all coroutines in this script. Yeah. Cool. So what I'm thinking, we have this fruit spawner, and initially it's going to be turned off by our restart. Where is it? Game state machine. Restart the game. We're going to say that's going to be turned off. Okay. Next thing is when we lose the game, we want to also turn it off. And then when we start the game, we want to turn it on. Okay, next thing is well, maybe that's enough for now, because now I think if we start the game, our player shouldn't move, and it it moved a little bit and then stopped moving. And okay, now if nothing is getting spawned, so now if we press this, it starts moving, and nothing gets spawned. And fruit spawner is on. Oh, but what? Huh? Okay, wait, let me see this. Cause I thought, oh, okay, that's what I needed to do. Yeah, I thought something's off. Yeah, lose game, blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay, start the game. And fruits are getting spawned. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, and do they stop spawning? They don't, because I never change my state. And we need to say when we lose, when our player dies. And I think we can somewhere find it in the fruit chop script. Chop in half. Add to score. I mean, probably when we die, we don't want to add +1. Right? So maybe... Oh, how should I do this? Oh, well, here we can say turn off, when we turn off the main fruit, we can do other things as well, such as changing the state. This is gonna be lose game. Oh, well, yeah. And yeah. Oh, but what I realized is when we... Oh, but no, it should be fine, actually. It should be fine. Okay, we have lose game, and then we would create a menu from where we could restart the game. But I think I'm gonna do that next time. Because, yeah, for some reason I'm a bit tired this morning. Yeah, so we didn't accomplish too much, but still, you know, we made an outline and half the menu. Well, not the half, maybe quarter of the menu, which is still okay. Alright, I'll probably stream today once again, and I'll see you there.